Alright, so I got two radios here. I've got a Yaesu FT270R on the right, and then I got a 2013 Baofeng UV5R Plus on the left. 700 milliwatt speaker and a slightly bigger 800 milliwatt speaker. We're going to compare the audio quality. They both have Smiley 5/8 slim duck antennas. This one's got a SMA female connector. This one's got an SMA male. So they're basically the same type. I'm going to compare these on both on maximum volume, and I'll let you get an idea of which one has the better sound quality. So with that being said, here we go.
Frequency mode.
Gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet with a dominant period of 9 seconds. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas around 4 feet. Friday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Friday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Saturday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Marine forecast. Coastal waters from North Carolina-Virginia border to Curry Beach, Light, North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles through 7 p.m. West winds 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet with a dominant period of 9 seconds. Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest late. Seas 3 to 4 feet with a dominant period of 9 seconds. Wednesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east late in the morning, then becoming southeast 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet with it.
Alright, so that's the Baofeng. Let's turn on the Yaesu.
Becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots late. Seas 3 to 4 feet with a dominant period of 16 seconds. Thursday, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet with a dominant period of 12 seconds. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Friday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Friday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Saturday night, northeast winds 10 knots, becoming east after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Marine forecast, Caribbean Sound. Small craft advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Through 7 p.m., west winds 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west 5 to 10 knots after midnight, then becoming north late.
And both of them together.
Waves 1 foot. Wednesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. Thursday, southwest winds 15 knots, becoming west with gusts up to 30 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots late. Waves 1 foot. Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. Friday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Saturday, north winds 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Saturday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Marine forecast, James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. Small craft advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Through 7 p.m., west winds 15 to 20 knots. Waves around 2 to 3 feet. Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and overnight. Waves 2 feet. Wednesday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast late in the morning, then becoming south in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thursday, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Gusts up to 30 knots. Waves around 2 feet. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Gusts up to 30 knots in the evening. Waves around 2 feet. Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Friday night. night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, north winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet.
Alright, so I think they're pretty close. The Yaesu has a larger speaker, but there's definitely a little bit more of a pronounced hissing sound in the transmission on that. I think the Baofeng has less, it has a little bit more of a tinny sound, but it also seems to be, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell which one is clearer, but there's definitely a little bit more of a hissing sound on the Yaesu as opposed to the Baofeng. So, like I said, this is a 700 milliwatt speaker and this is an 800 milliwatt speaker. So, the output is fairly close. But anyway, I want to hear in the comments which one you think was the winner between the two. Alright, thanks for watching.